Yeah, good morning again, viewers. You are welcome to Fescos Farm. Today we'll be talking about grasscutter eating coconut tree. And this is how we start. You need to cut your coconut tree down. As you can see, I have quite a lot of them here. Cut down. So, then once you cut down, you wash with your brush. You wash in the clean water. Make sure you wash off the dust clean. Then you move them to the grass cutter cage where you can feed your animals. You can so you give them like this. Also give them and wait for a while for them to feed up. Thank you. Always click our like button and our subscription buttons as well. Thank you for joining us. See you same time.